Welcome to my channel. How to connect printer to new Wi-Fi network after password update. Step 1. Turn on your printer. Turn on your printer and make sure it is properly powered. Check that there are no error messages on the screen and that the printer is in a ready state. Step 2. Open Settings menu. On the printer's display panel, navigate to the Settings or Menu option. This is where you can access all configuration options for your device. Step 3. Go to Network Settings. Look for Network, Wireless, or Wi-Fi settings in the menu. This section allows you to manage and update your internet connection. Step 4. Choose Wi-Fi Setup. Select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard or Wireless Setup. This feature helps the printer automatically find and connect to available networks. Step 5. Search for networks. The printer will begin scanning for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Wait for a few seconds until the list of available networks appears on the screen. Step 6. Select your network. From the list, choose your new Wi-Fi network name, SSID. Make sure you select the correct network to avoid connection issues. Step 7. Enter new password. Enter the new Wi-Fi password carefully using the printer's keypad or touchscreen. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so type each character correctly. Step 8. Confirm connection. After entering the password, press OK, connect, or apply to save the settings. The printer will now attempt to connect to the network. Step 9. Wait for connection. Give the printer some time to establish the connection. Once successful, you will see a message like, connected, or, Wi-Fi connected successfully. Step 10. Print a test page. Finally, print a test page or try printing from your computer or mobile device. This confirms that your printer is successfully connected to the new Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.